We're gonna go fish for piranhas, catch them, hopefully eat them. Those are our fishing poles. Boat's gonna crank up right. Yeah. Let's get the fuck out of here. We're here in prime piranha fishing territory. Cutting up some bait.
Chicken skin.
Chicken skin?
Repelente.
So,
Es un repelente, ¿eh?
with this chicken skin, I will catch us dinner. Don't you worry, guys. We're gonna eat tonight.
Yeah. Ahí está. Tienes que jalar arriba los ojos. Fuertes, ¿ya? Ajá.
Wow.
Sí. Wow. Not a piranha. This is the family of piranha. This is Paco. See? When they are out of that big, so very, very big.
It's a baby.
I think that big.
Wow.
3-4 kilos. Sophie is the one.
She's the master pescadora.
Wow.
¿Sí? Como que like a... We got one, but he bit and took my bait, so we're going at it again. All right.
No, it's the sharp part.
You just put like, you give it on the head.
Oh, just kill it?
No, just the flat part. Just the flat part.
See?
Just put on the
Just-
head.
just
Yeah.
flat.
No, the flat part.
The knife or the...
Yeah, from the knife. And on the head.
So cut his head off?
No. You just
Son los pelos.
torpedo. No, not like this. Like this. Up it.
Mm. Oh, I've heard about this. Pocket.
Yeah. Because then you damage.
Enough.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, we were filming that. Hell yeah.
So it's less harmful for the fish.
Yes. Check it out, catfish.
¿Quién va a comer hoy?
Nosotros.
I'm not.
Everybody's eating today, boy. Vámonos.
The same type of fish. You want a pig fish here?
Yeah.
Good catch.
You're so a pro.
It's a pro.
A pro. You can see that.
Careful.
Can I see real quick, Sophie? Or show me?
Yep.
¿Me enseñas? Ooh. Sophie, the legend. Hell yeah. All right, we're on to the second spot. As you can see, we've already caught the fish out of here. Fucking Sophie done caught like 4 fish. She's a legend, dude.